Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in Oxford White. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a Class 4 trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. With the aid of the grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading. As well, there's a menu that you can toggle through. So we can get in there in the menu, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul and sport, and when you press the end, you'll see it appear to the right, tow haul, and then S for sport, and off again. In the center, there's a little cubby. As well, you have your traction control and hazard lights. You're seeing your media controls. On the side here, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD. You're seeing the temperature outside as well as the time, and your radio station is appearing there. Below, volume and tuner, there's your CD player. Your climate control is located here with AC and max AC and front defrost. Off to the side is your 4x4. You also have your integrated trailer brake controller, and down below you're seeing a USB as well as a 12-volt. There's a little bin there to put items. In your armrest, a couple of cup holders. You also have more storage, and then flip the seat up for another seating position with a seat belt. You can unclip underneath, more storage, plus a couple of cup holders. You just flip those right out. And then you have a 12-volt, a locking glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, as well as your lighting controls and sunglass holder. There's also a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back, you have a black handle for your tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch, and you also have a hitch there and a lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners. When you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab to bring it back down. At the base, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and you have this nice all-weather mat on the floor to keep everything clean. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders plus a 12-volt. In the body, grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window. Bumper, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.